Okay. It's cute. Yes, great. Wow. Okay.
Where are you from?
I am living in Singapore, but I'm originally from Japan, and I am the jet lag because I was in LA yesterday.
Oh my god, it's kind of jet lag.
Yeah, their time is already, I don't know, 3 a.m. So
Okie dokie. I'm like to double check our connections over here. Yeah, I believe we are all connected across different platforms. And Jen, everyone, welcome to today's Nimble AI panel. Really appreciate you all for being here. And I would like to let everyone know that today we are having our guest speaker from Legendary Humanity, or in short, LH. So let's welcome our speaker. Yeah, Suzuki-san, would you like to introduce yourself and your project to our audience? Thank you.
okay. Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting tonight. My name is Takamasa Suzuki. In Singapore, friends call me Mac, so everyone please call me Mac. And I am the CEO and the founder of Legendary Humanity project in Singapore. And Legendary Humanity aim to preserve with automatically created by AI 3D models by patented 3D scanner. And also we are ensuring our legacy of human masterpieces and the humanity itself. So our service provide community tokens for and funds. And our mission is by 2029, we aim to digitize 100 million masterpieces globally. So please help us to gather as many as cultural or collectible items from the globally. Thank you for the time and please enjoy tonight.
Thank you so much, Mac, for joining us today and also spending time to introduce Legendary Humanity, or LH, to us. And next, we would like to welcome our regular speaker, Alex, our marketing or head of marketing, right, over here. Well, recently have a title upgrade, so we need to definitely make sure that we introduce it correctly. And welcome, Alex. Would you also like to introduce yourself to our audience today? Thank you.
Thanks, Moonlight. Yeah. Hey, everyone. How's it going? Super happy to be back. We were here just yesterday, so now we're going to talk a little bit about a different angle of Nimble, and you will know most about it. So I'll keep doing it. But yeah, the OpenAI platform where you can build, monetize, and own the AI agents themselves.
Great. Thank you so much, Alex, using different angles to introduce Nimble to us. So let's first ask our very first question to Mac. Do you mind to let people know more about what exactly is Legend Humanity going to do to achieve your goal? Thank you.
Can I share my
Of
screen
course,
here?
yes. Feel free to share your screen.
And how long have I talked to?
Oh, you can speak as long as you prefer to.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Did I share my screen now?
Let me double check.
Yes.
Yeah, it's sharing now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Great.
And I think I have to much closer. So, what do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Is that fine?
Looks good. Yeah. Looks good. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry for take some time.
Oh, no worries.
There you are. Okay. Yes. So once again, this is the project name Legendary Humanity, and we are bridging the human creation to the future. And what we are trying to do is again bridging. We are digitizing 100 million masterpieces of humanity by 2029, and currently there are deep fake technology and images, video, and audio is created by AI. And sometimes I can not recognize which is AI creation and what is humanity creation. So, and it's kind of sometimes misinformation for human. And so this is a crisis in trust and reliability. So we are going to proof of existence and proof of humanity by our 3D scanning technology and also the AI. And we are saving the data on the metaverse on blockchain, and we are using the Solana now. And also we have a grant from the ADA. So this is our blockchain is doing now, proof of existence. And our technology is 10 seconds only for the scanning and 10 minutes for the 3D modeling. And this all both patented now. And this is the movie we have AI created for the yellow dress 1970s vintage collections. And this is the AI recognize the material and which weight, and AI automatically create the collision of the game engine and to show the beautifully dress like this. And our revenue come from the three items and the services. That's the LH Vista is a runway creation and runway movie creation. And the LH Museum is the exhibition that since we are creating the 3D models of the beautifully, so we will display those in the virtual museums. And also this is the third one is LH Mondo. And the revenue come from the physical items and the NFT, digital NFT data is together to sell by our NFT marketplace. And we also have the function of the meme coins and automatically create a wallet behind of our login services, and also the voice chat together within community. So, and for example, I just went to yes, I just came back from the Los Angeles yesterday. No, today, and there are Comic Con, which has the 300,000 people participate,
Wow.
and our booth was in front of the main stage, and we capture. We have set up the 3D scanner there, and we have captured like wow, you have seen this kind of the cosplayer there, and we will have the virtual cosplay hour start next week from October 15th. So please log into our site and vote for the cosplayers. And the cosplayer, one of the cosplayer has a 400 million followers, and so we may have the 36 million followers on the 36 million wallets by our system. And also the award winner can come to, and we will invite the Tokyo Comic Con in December. So please vote for our award. And this is the actual real avatar for by myself, and this is created by AI automatically. And and say hello for. Thank you for nice to meet you.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much for letting us
Yes.
know.
Yes.
About the Legend Humanities project. That's really, really
Yeah.
cool. And Alex, I would also like to ask you about Nimble. What is Nimble's vision for the future of AI, and how does decentralized play a role in Nimble's project? Thank you.
Yeah, that's a good question. I think we haven't been asked that in a long time. Now it's like over 10, 15 AI panels. But basically what we envision is this kind of AI-driven future where innovation is not just constrained by centralized entities. Where you have the likes of OpenAI, Meta, and then so many more kind of building on the AI side of things. But that means that, for example, they control crucial resources like GPUs, data sets, and development tools. So it is an environment where newcomers don't really have access, right? This is a huge barrier for the small players, basically. So when you have this centralization of kind of AI development, it kind of limits access to cost-effective computation. We're not just talking about the ethics of who controls the data behind the AI, but it's more like how cost effective the competition can be, right? And this, as a result, does not lead to like higher innovation to be created. So yeah, we address these issues by we create this open AI platform with the AI notebook, with the order book, with on the Nimble chain all together, and we have this system that kind of has a minor validator component to it. And it's got a proof of sorry, I'm blanking on the word. But what you do is you have miners kind of successfully completing the AI task where validators validating exactly what the integrity of those tasks are. So yeah, this is kind of like a nuts and bolts of how we envision the future of AI. And we want to make it so that everyone can leverage their data on the Nimble network. Everyone can just kind of come in and build AI agents and monetize them as well, right? So there's full ownership of data as well. And there's this kind of GPU computing power that's decentralized, so you can scale accordingly.
Nice. Thank you so much, Alex, for letting us know about decentralization is definitely really important, and even in the AI industry, right? So the follow-up question over here is, Alex thinks that Nimble's goal is to provide a decentralized AI platform, right, to our users. Then how does Nimble's decentralized architecture different from other AI platforms? Thank you.
Yeah, good question. It definitely ties into what I was communicating, right? The proof of stake consensus that I was kind of blanking on. And right now you have a lot of AI platforms kind of focusing on either GPU compute or focusing on more of a data labeling solution. So for everybody who's not familiar, basically you need data to be actually labeled accordingly for AI agents to be able to process that and be trained on. So let's say you have some sort of customer purchase data, you want to maybe label it by time series, right? How frequent the purchases were, if you want to improve that frequency or analyze maybe why at some point people don't purchase as much in a specific category. So then, our architecture leverages the Cosmos SDK. So that means that you have this kind of security and efficiency to it. So for example, for the miner validator point that I was making earlier with the proof of stake mechanism, what happens is there's a reputation system, in the reputation score as well. So you're a new miner creating a new wallet. By the way, we've just passed 20 million transactions, so please go ahead and create your new wallet. We have brand new videos showing exactly how it's done. I've created mine a few weeks back, easy peasy. And you get thrown into this pool that's temporary, and then you build up your reputation score. Which kind of takes into account exactly what your GPU compute power is, but also how many transactions you validate correctly. So based on this, you receive more and more and more and more. So yeah, that's pretty much how the architecture is.
Got it. Thank you so much, Alex, for letting us know more detail and comparing Nimble with other different AI platforms, especially traditional centralized one. And let's circle back to Mac. Mac, when you just share with us the Legend of Humanities, wrong way, right? So how could everyday users also have access to your platform and give it a try if we wanted to? For example, how do we use it? Can we just take a picture or find a picture from some online clothing or fashion stores and then put it to LH's platform and then let the clothes to walk around the wrong way? Thank you.
Yes. So as Alex told, that the decentralization is very important. So, and we are using the image processing GPU, and it's expensive. And if we use any other cloud services, and we have to build some GPU machines by ourselves, that's cost too much. So if someone who doesn't use at night, then we want to borrow those GPU machines there. And from our side is we are public and we are open to use our platform for image processing and also the 3D modeling. So that is for efficiency and also the automatic creation of 3D models. So one side is very important for AI to calculate for the decentralization and the training for the data. And also the other side is the proof of existence of our humanity by our AI, and also creating someone have to create 3D models for in the future metaverse and the gaming and so on. So that is the one side of the AI is doing. So we public our AI, and everyone in globally and everyone in the world have please help us to gather the masterpieces of their cultural items. That is why we want to open our AI platform. Am I answer your question?
Yes, thank you so much for letting us know about that. And let's circle back to Alex, the head of marketing at Nimble as well. How does Nimble's business model resemble a gig economy for AI? Thank you.
Yeah, so basically, we want to be like the Uber Eats business model. It works. I used to work at Uber, so just a brief introduction to that. You have restaurants, you have the couriers, and you have food, right? So the platform would take a share, like the cut of restaurants being on the platform, while couriers would also take most of the delivery fee from for delivering those items, right? And the customers wanted their food as fast as possible. So with Nimble, it's going to work in a similar fashion, right? So you have this AI agent hub that we're building, and we're getting ready to getting it out. Fortunately, this quarter, and what happens is, a developer comes in, uses the AI notebook, and for that, basically, once his or her AI agent is done and is published on the AI Agent Hub, then we would take a fee from the transaction, right? So let's say there's a doctor trying to get an AI agent for diagnostic tools, and comes on to Nimble, and wants to kind of connect to the API, right? The API will live on Nimble chain. So then you connect to the API, and that's how you monetize. It's you have to pay for it. And then developer gets most of that revenue, right? While we take part of that as well for offering the AI notebook, the entire functionality of the Nimble platform. So that's kind of how you can look at the gig economy model, right? Developers are basically the restaurants and couriers trying to make more money, and that's the platform itself. The Agent Hub is kind of like the Uber platform itself. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you so much for letting us know about that. Yeah, and it's actually about time, for us to wrap up the session. So before we close our session, I would like to double check, Mac, do you have any additional information that you'd like to let us know about Legendary Humanity? Thank you.
Yes. I don't know. I maybe take a nap for the jet lags, but yes. We are so just talk about our token name. Didi is the token is we are listing soon, and so please enjoy, and please we are getting the airdrops and points and selling the NFT too. So please follow our X site and also the Telegram. So please enjoy our services from now on. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you so much, Mac, for letting us know about that. And also, Alex, would you also like to add something for the Nimble side as well? Thank you.
Yeah, we're getting ready for DevCon, so
Oh,
do
wow.
meet us there, and give us a follow. Give Legendary Humanity a follow as well. We actually have these cool campaigns offering points as well, so do check us out there as well.
Yes, and also starting tomorrow, we will have Nimble quiz game in our Discord server as well. It's something new, and also an opportunity for weekly top 3 winners to receive extra Nimble points, and those will be able to toward for getting the Nimble token as well. So friends, be sure not to miss the opportunities to collect as many Nimble points as possible before our TG. Thank you so much for both our speakers to come to our AMA session today. And thank you, Matt. Thank you, Alex. We are going to close our backstage. Wish you a great rest of the day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Line.
Bye.
Thanks, Mac.
Thank
See
you.
you guys later.
Bye.
Okie dokie. Let me check over here. Nice. So we just wrap up another successful Nimble AI panel with Legendary Humanity, or LH, and we are ready to play some music to end this session. Thank you all for joining us today across different social media platforms. We appreciate all of your support. And listen, Meng Mai, I am going to play some upbeat music right now.